Welcome to today's video. In the previous video we discussed on how to use sugar scrub to get fast rid of stretch marks that are causing scars on your skin. But in today's video we'll be talking about asthma. How wonderful cola can help you heal as an asthmatic patient. Asthma cough is associated with difficulty in breathing related to the damages of the lung. Asthma can be tackled in several ways. You will be learning 3 different methods to tackle asthma. But in this video, we'll be talking about the first method only, so you can check out for the remaining videos for the 2 methods that we'll be explaining. We shall be looking at the first method like I said, and we'll be making subsequent video on other 2 methods, so you should watch out. Kindly follow these procedures appropriately to make herbal solution for asthma using wonderful cola. Step number 1. Get 6 pieces of fresh and neat wonderful cola. Step number 2. Get a few number of avocado pear leaf. Step 3. Get 3 bulbs of fresh and neat garlic onion. Step number 4. After you must have gotten all of these ingredients, put all these ingredients together and grind or pound if that is what best suits you. And this leads us to step number 5. After grinding or pounding, pour all into a 4-liter gallon. Step number 6. After you must have poured these ingredients into 4-liter gallon, add 2 liters of clean water with 1 small stout sized bottle of pure honey. This leads us to step number 7. Cover it appropriately. Keep in a safe place to ferment for complete 24 hours. The dosage: take 1 glass first thing in the morning and repeat same last thing before going to bed for complete 10 days consecutively. Do well to check the description of this video below. There are vital information that you can't afford to miss there. Thank you for watching today's video. Do well to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course, I'll see you in the next video where I'll be talking extensively about the second method. Thank you.